How to use Runwayml Text to video. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can use Runwayml's text to video feature. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's dive right in. The first step that you'll need to take is search for Runwayml and then open it up. You can directly head over to runwayml.com as well. It's completely up to you. After you do that, you will then need to sign in into your account. So whatever you want for text to video, you can do it from here. So you can do it from right here. All you need to do is describe your idea. So let's start by describing an idea. Let me just write whale. I'll just write this basic stuff in this text area and then tap on this button and it will start doing its thing where you will need to log in into your account. It'll take you to app.runway.ml and finally it will start doing your work, that is changing your text into a video. But for that you will need to have paid version. For that you'll need to have a subscription and you can just start asking it for videos as well. As you can see, it's giving me the image. Now I'll just ask for a video. There you can see under the suggestion you'll find turn this image into a video. You can tap on that as well, or just when you're giving it a prompt you can just write a video of just do this, then tap on send. Now for a video you will require the upgraded version. So yeah, there you can see you'll need to pay for a plan to use text to video with integrated audio and dialogues as well. Now if you look at its pricings, so let me just tap on upgrade, view all plans and features. You can see that there are different plans available for you. There are yearly and monthly. You can choose either one of these. There are a lot of different options. So just choose your plan, and after you get the plan you will then be able to create the video. And that's it for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.